everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good, and if not, I hope you might be doing better like these two. Hey, wait, have you checked out my recent yet? Recently I have made a video unboxing Wafa Imran M5 Lite, and here it is. Slim body, as we wanted, so thin. Okay. If not, then make sure to check this out. For the video today, let's get started. Are you excited? Are you both excited? Hey, why not saying anything? Okay, no problem. As you guys know, today is the special day, the day for which we have been waiting for since very long. Right, yeah, you got this right. You got that exactly right. Oh, today is 7th of August. So Galaxy Note 10 and Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus will be unveiled today for the first time in New York. So as it's launching in Brooklyn today, the most stylish form of Samsung, here I am basically I'm presenting basically this is S9 Plus. There are some views about there are some reviews based on the Galaxy 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So the reviews are based on the anticipation that how the Galaxy 10 is going to be. Obviously it's going to be very special, right? Yeah, obviously. So we will see that what features, like how it is different from its previous versions. Let's get started with the specs and difference between the Samsung mobiles. This is the screen for Galaxy S9 Plus. It's got a screen with 6.2 to 6.3 inches, and you know what, we are actually excited about it. The size for Note 10 or 10 Plus is expected as 6.8 inches. The Samsung S9 has two cameras on the back side, one flashlight, and this is the fingerprint sensor. This is the flashlight heart rate sensor. Here this is for the fingerprint, and there are two cameras. So basically it has two cameras, two back cameras and one front camera. Can you see that? Yeah, it's got two back cameras and one front camera. Then it's got two rear camera, or two rear camera or back camera. It has got two back camera, or you can say the rear camera, megapixel each. That is the 24 megapixel in total. So the rumors about the Note 10 says that it will have four rear cameras. Yeah, it will have four rear cameras. Yeah, you heard me right. In total there will be three cameras, and 1, 2, 3, then fingerprint sensor. For this they have added one more thing. That is the fourth camera. That is basically the 3D camera. What is the wide angle camera, the 3D camera, and 12 megapixel main camera, super wide angle camera, heart rate sensor. This has got the earphone jack with S9 is 3.5 mm, but in the Galaxy and Note 10 it's not 3.5 mm, it's going to be less than that, or I don't know, we will see. When here you can see we have the power button here and the Bixby and the volume button, but in Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus there is no button on the other side, like just a power button, Bixby button, that would be one, 2-in-1, and one volume button, and literally no button on the other side of the phone, and that's something really amazing about it. That's the Note 10. It has got 4 cameras. In here you can see only 2 cameras. This is the fingerprint, this is the heart rate sensor, that is a flashlight. So in Note 10 we have 1, 2, 3 camera, then there is a sensor, then we have the 4th camera, which is actually the 3D camera. It has got wide angle cameras, and the camera is going to be really amazing. It would be similar, you know, in these phones we have got the rear camera or back camera at the center of the mobile phone, whereas in the to here, on from the center it will shift to the side of the phone. From the center of the mobile it will shift to here. There is one front camera, and this is the iris scanner, but there the front camera has been shifted to the center of the mobile phone. Like the front camera won't be here, it will be here at the center of the mobile phone. I hope that not only me, but we all hope that new Galaxy Note 10 is going to bring a lot of surprises for us. This Note costs almost 1,099 euros for the 256 version, and it's going to cost almost 800 pounds for the Note 10, and for the 10 Plus it's gonna cost 999 pounds. In USD dollar, we can convert that. Note 10 would be 949 USD, and 10 Plus is going to be 1,099 US. Both have an amazing resolution. Like both would have an amazing resolution about it. It's 2,000. Both have the amazing resolution, 2280 by 1080 resolution, or the screen display. It's going to be amazing. And the most important thing for what I'm excited, or all of the community, or everywhere people are excited about the Note 10 is that it's coming in 5 different pretty nice colors. Like, you know, when we go to, for the Samsung mobile phones, when Huawei released their phones with Nova and Honor that had a blue and silver gradient option. I didn't know why. I think like in all versions of Huawei, so it's going to be a silver blue gradient, and we have a choice whether we need to buy this with a silver blue gradient. As I told you, there are total 5 in colors. That would be black, silver, this one is black, silver, black, white, silver, and the best colors is the red. Suppose this mobile phone in that color red, and this mobile phone in that color pink. Are you excited? Look, they both look so happy with this. See, both look so happy with this. It's going to be with amazing finish, amazing screen display, the best colors. You know, there won't be the ordinary colors. Like obviously, I'm very much excited about that gradient colors. It's going to be like not exactly similar to Huawei. Obviously, Samsung's gonna release something very awesome. Hey Google, hey Bixby. Hey Bixby, are you excited about the Galaxy Note 10? Look what you replied.
I didn't understand that.
Oh. Hey Bixby, are you excited about the Note 10 launch today?
Understand that.
He didn't. has 6.2-inch screen. Now you can imagine that the Galaxy S10 is going to be Note 10 is going to be 6.8-inch, and that would be very convenient. That would be perfect for the PowerPoint user or many other purposes. As a student, I only use PowerPoint, so I cannot tell you the more specific features for that. As you know, the Samsung phones are getting bigger and bigger. Like, they are getting bigger and bigger every year. These phones are getting bigger and bigger every year with the screen size and like this. As you all know, these phones. Why do I love my mobile so much? I need my space. So I've been using these two mobiles. This is S9 and this is S9 Plus. Now I'm very much excited about the new launch today. Okay, so stay tuned, see you with the next video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And wait, what? I told you there is another surprise. 1, 2, 3, done. Now I'm going to make another video for unboxing. And that is going to be this for Lenovo A5. And if you guys want to know its special features and other things, so wait for the next video. Goodbye, see you.